Before you buy a home in Atlanta, I need to save you from some very expensive mistakes. I'm talking about mistakes that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars or leave you stuck in a home you might regret. And the crazy part, I see buyers make these same mistakes every single week. So if you're thinking about buying anywhere in Metro Atlanta, you'll want to watch this entire video through to the end. Hey, my name is Cecili Simmons. I'm a local realtor here in the Metro Atlanta area, and I help people relocate and buy homes all across the Metro. If you're thinking about making a move, make sure you subscribe because I break down everything you need to know before buying here. Now let's get into the biggest mistakes that you'll need to avoid. Mistake number 1, falling in love with the house and not the area. Falling in love with the house but ignoring the neighborhood. I've had buyers get excited about a beautiful home, great price, nice upgrades, but they didn't realize that the commute was terrible, or the area didn't quite match their lifestyle, or the resale value wasn't as strong. And here's the truth. You can change things inside a house, but you can't change the location. You should always drive the area at different times of the day, check the nearby development, and think long term. Mistake number 2, underestimating the true cost. A lot of buyers think that their only expense is the mortgage, and that's just not true. You also need to factor in things like property taxes, homeowners insurance, HOA fees, maintenance and repairs. That affordable home can quickly become stressful if you didn't plan for the full cost. What I usually tell my clients, don't just ask, can I afford this? Rather, ask yourself, can you comfortably live with the payment? Mistake number 3, ignoring traffic and commute reality. Everybody knows Atlanta traffic is not a game, and this is where a lot of buyers get it wrong. They'll see a home 20 minutes from their job and think, yeah, that's not too bad. But in Atlanta, that could easily be 45 minutes to 1.5 hours during rush hour. Daily frustration and burnout. Less time for your actual life. Living in Marietta versus working in Buckhead or downtown Atlanta can feel very different depending on timing and routes. In Atlanta, you don't measure distance, you measure drive time. Mistake number 4, not understanding the school district impact even if you don't have kids. A lot of buyers think school districts only matter if they have kids. That's a mistake. In Atlanta, school zones heavily affect property values, appreciation, resale demand. Homes in strong districts tend to sell faster, hold their value better, attract more buyers later. Even within the same city like Marietta, values can shift significantly depending on zoning. Even if you don't have kids, you're buying into a school district, and so is your future buyer. Mistake number 5, overlooking future development or lack thereof. Atlanta is growing fast, but not evenly. Some areas are rapidly developing, having new restaurants, retail, and jobs, increasing in values quickly, while others are staying stagnant. Areas near projects like the Atlanta Beltline have seen huge growth over time. You're not just buying a home. Keep in mind that you're buying into where the city is going. Mistake number 6, choosing the wrong side of the city. ITP versus OTP. In Atlanta, one of the biggest decisions is whether to live inside the perimeter, ITP, versus outside the perimeter, OTP. ITP equals more walkability, city lifestyle, and higher prices, whereas OTP will equal more space, suburban feel, and overall more affordability. Buyers sometimes choose based on price alone and regret the lifestyle mismatch later. In Atlanta, where you live, inside or outside the perimeter, will shape your entire lifestyle. Now, this is exactly the kind of info that I walk my clients through before they ever buy, from narrowing down the right areas to negotiating the best deal and guiding you all the way to closing, so they don't end up making a decision that they regret. If you're serious about buying a home here in the Atlanta area, the next step is making sure you have a clear strategy so you don't make any of these costly mistakes. If you're ready to get started, I'd love the opportunity to work with you. Reach out to me directly, call, text, or email me using the info below, and let's put a plan together to get you into the right home with confidence. You know, it's my goal to help you find the best place to live in Atlanta. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and contact me if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell in Metro Atlanta or the suburbs. This is Cecili Simmons, Realtor. See you on the next one.